Welcome back, viewers. In today's video, we are going to do the installation of Nvidia proprietary drivers in AntiX Linux distribution. So you have to open the control center via application menu. From here, you can see it here. You have to open it and then go to the driver section. Click once on the Nvidia driver installer. Input your root password. There is some issue here. What we can do is we can open the terminal and then we have to execute this command. So what we will do is we will open the root terminal. Then you have to paste sudo, and sudo is not required now. You can see it here because already we have sudo into the root terminal. So refreshing sources with apt-get update. Continue, you have to say yes, or you can just enter for the default entry. So this is the same command that is there in the MX Linux. If you remember, this is the same command that is there in the MX Linux to install the Nvidia proprietary drivers. Now, Nvidia packages to install our Nvidia driver, Nvidia settings, Nvidia kernel DKMS, lib Nvidia dash import. So you have to go with the default, that is yes. So this is going to install the Nvidia driver version 535.183.01-1 Deb 12 UI. So it is based on Debian Buko. $201 MB of archives will be required to be downloaded, and 73 new packages will be installed. 2 will not get upgraded right now. Maybe later on it will get upgraded. So during earlier installation of AntiX Linux, there was same issue with the Nvidia driver installer. By clicking on the Nvidia driver installer, it does not execute. There is an issue with the password. Then you have to run the script directly from the root terminal or any other terminal. It will work. In other terminals, we have to input the root password. In root terminal, already the root password has been entered by us. So it will execute, or it will ask to enter the password first, and then the root terminal will open. So it will install in the terminal itself. There is no need for the graphical installation. We check. Okay, so the free new kernel module is currently loaded and conflicts with the non-free Nvidia module. The easiest way to fix this is to reboot the machine once the installation is finished. We have to press OK. Okay, so the installation failed. libdvd.package. There are some dependency. Yes, for the libdvd css. So this is a non-free codec for library dvd css. So that has failed. It has not updated itself. I think it is not installing. What we can do is we will try to okay, we will try to reboot. Maybe the driver has already installed. Let us try, and I will come back. So I have restarted the system, and you can see the Nvidia driver has got installed successfully. It was showing us wrong that the driver did not install in the terminal, but it has really reinstalled. So there is this issue with AntiX. So earlier, 2-3 times I installed this on my system. I was playing with the system. I was trying to get to know AntiX better. So my trials were going on, and there also the Nvidia driver installation, same way it failed, but after reboot, the Nvidia settings was there and the driver was installed correctly. You can see here, whenever you see all this data, graphics, card information, thermal setting, power visor, application profiles, Nvidia settings. If you see this all, then you have to know that the driver has been properly installed. Here you can see the server information and the number of screens, driver version, NVMe version, operating system, everything is shown here. So this means the Nvidia driver is properly installed. That's it for the this video. In the next video, we will check out some more features and applications of AntiX Linux distribution. Bye bye.